Pete?
Caleb Person, where are you?
I'm right here, Pete. Where are you?
I'm stuck here in the middle of nowhere.
Where are we? Let me look. There's a lot of sunflowers, Pete.
Sunflowers here, a lot. Stuck here somewhere. You know what else we are, Caleb Person?
Well, how does it smell?
They smell lovely.
All right, I'm gonna pan over, Pete, 1 second. There's a lot of sunflowers here.
Sunflowers.
A lot of sunflowers.
They're the giant sunflowers.
Thousands and thousands of sunflowers.
Last sunflower field.
The last one?
The last one.
First one I've ever seen too.
Okay, the first one and the last one.
Cool. So what is this place?
It's the sunflower field.
Sunflower seed field. So this is where we get those snackables?
Everything right here.
All across the world are grown here in Cape Breton.
I know. Come on. Yep, this is it.
Huh. I think they'd be a little pricier than they are.
Well, you know, we're getting last seeds from one sunflower. 100,000 seeds are here.
Oh, Pete. Okay, are you gonna buy any of these?
I don't think they're for sale.
Really?
Don't think.
Why would you plant all these flowers then?
I don't know.
Maybe we should go investigate.
Maybe so. All right. So, we're going to go on further adventures with Pete.
Sure, Pete.
Okay. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to Adventures with Pete. And you can see all the adventures with Pete, all the new ones, the old ones,